Yo, what's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again with another banger for you guys. Today I decided to be in my front yard in front of the pool at the sunset. Enjoy, guys. Anyways, yeah, I took this trade today on SP500. Well, turned out pretty nice. I already collapsed the whole position, made around 2% with a 1% risk. Was a beautiful trade. Yesterday I was able to take maybe 0.5% out of the market in here. Let's start with yesterday, guys. So what was happening? I need to go to the lower time frame for that. 1 second. So where we are. Alright, so this was yesterday's movement, right? So what was happening, guys? I was watching the New York session starting here. So I was watching it and see what they are trying to achieve. Well, we had equal lows in here and equal highs in here. So when they bring the price down into this area, grab the liquidity down there, stopped some buyers out, then we had a nice reaction in here, a strong candle. On the pullback I decided to buy, okay? Then we took out this liquidity, and then the market was slowing down, came back a little bit. So I was like, okay, maybe they want to turn the price around. So I got out with a little profit. Then decided to sell, get on the other side of the market, and take out this low in here, because this is where most of the time the next liquidity sits. You know, I mean, if they take it out, if they take the buy side liquidity out in here, then the next liquidity is sitting in here, and some internal liquidity as well in here. So I decided to sell, got stopped out with a little loss, but then decided to take another sell as soon as the market reached this this area in here. I need to go to the higher time frame to see this, so you can see. Well, this is the last upward move before the big drop came. So this zone is a significant zone where we had some crazy push to the downside. So in here we are expecting some kind of reaction, right? So this is what I expected, and yeah, so I took this second chance entry after I got stopped out, after the liquidity got grabbed. And overall the movement was pretty slow that day, so I couldn't bank a big run. I took some profits in here, then took some more profits in here, and then the market came all the way back to stop me out at around break even, and I finished the day with around $40,000 profit, which is great. It's 0.5%, and that's fine. After that, I decided to take a withdrawal out of my account, because the Friday was so good. Oh, give me a second. So I decided to take a withdrawal out of my account because the Friday on NFP was so good, made so big money on that move. So I decided to take out the profit just from Friday and let the rest in the account. And so what we had today, guys, this trade was beautiful as well. This was a news event as well. Market dropped like crazy. I mean, first of all, we took some, we tricked some buyers into the market. Then market dropped like crazy. And when I saw it drops like this, took out multiple liquidities in here, even yesterday's low. So after grabbing yesterday's low, I was waiting for a clear reaction on the smaller time frames, and you can see it clearly. We had this beautiful engulfing candle in here, and this was the signal that they want to bring the price to the other side for me. So I decided to step into the game. I have shared this trade with the inner circle and with the free members in my Telegram channel as well. So if you're not inside yet, make sure to check the link in the description. Join the free Telegram chat and drop me a private message if you need help, if you need my advice. I have a lot of valuable stuff to share with you, so make sure to check links in the description. Alright, so we took this trade all together, guys, and yeah, it was just moving like crazy. I mean, if we have these kind of quick moves on news event, most of the time after the news event the market will go back into this normal rhythm. All right, so we have to fill this big drop, this imbalance in here, because price was moving super quick. That means it left a lot of orders in the, on the table. And if you just study historically, just study news events, you will see this move so often happen. It grabs some buy side liquidity, then fuck them all up, and then come back. this is what happens so many times. The same side, the same thing for the sell side as well. This is how they create liquidity. Like, this is how they move the market, and this is how we make money in this game. Like, guys, yeah, man, I'm so excited. It was a beautiful day today, and yeah, but I didn't eat anything. I'm super hectic and nervous, and I have so much energy. I need to fill my stomach now. Anyways, guys, yeah, if you need my help, let me know. Links are in the description. I wish you a lovely rest of the day, and I hope you've banked on this trade as well, guys. Wish you all the best. Peace out. Love you.
What you know.